breakfast, and then I'm having my shower and getting ready for the day, and I'll be back soon. For breakfast we're having eggs and bacon, but I'm having eggs and toast. So let's see how that goes. It's also really bad lighting in here, and it took us a long time because Hi guys, so I'm back, and now we're having a dinner at breakfast. Whoops. Hi guys, so I'm doing makeup and I'm dressed, so that's really all we have to do. I do my hair and pack my bag, and then we can go. So we're gonna go to the fashion stores, so I don't do much videos because I'm not allowed to, and I don't really want to get in trouble, so I'm not gonna try, but I'll try and do some anyway when we go into like the other stores. Anyway, so today's outfit is one from the photo shoot last night. So yeah, I don't have my bag on, but you know, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to have a drink and do my... Okay, so I'm ready. We're all ready to go. I got my shoes eventually. I decided on these ones, and I got some in my bag. So if I get lazy, or they're walking too fast, or my feet fall apart, then I have other shoes. Bean looks like, I don't know what you look. You look like Lady Gaga. Anyway, what?
It's because you stole the denim jacket.
Probably. It looks good, but your glasses just look creepy. Okay, so we'll see you when we're there. Bye. Okay, so I'm a tourist now. Just went to Jimmy Choo. Everyone was judging us, and I think when they walked in, they were all looking at us, and I hated that experience. It was really scary. Everyone was just looking, and I was like, I'm not going to steal anything, guys. We touched the things. I don't think we were allowed to, but now I have Jimmy Choo glitter on me. It's probably just a Kmart glitter.
So it actually is though.
Oh, they cleaned their all like windows. Very fancy. I love this. This is what I did for my shopping vlog. Do you remember that, guys? I had this on my like background, and I had my face in it. We should make a new one.
Oh, well, beautiful. That's Jimmy Choo.
Yeah.
So Dottie Sports Girl and that are here.
Why would they be here though? Okay, anyway, bye. See you later.
Look at how sparkly we are. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so cute. Alright, well, where are we going? So many bloody shops to get through. Okay, can I take a selfie and you guys out and just show me the Jimmy Choo store?
Look down here. What's down here? The tea stuff?
Okay, can I go now?
Okay, I'm going to be in someone's going to the lunch. Be back. Oh my god, look at that cute they are. I love that shoe. We're walking and ooh, what's that? Louis Vuitton. What's that? I know how to pronounce that, I'm not even going to try. Okay, so we just saw this couple in Louis Vuitton, and like in Christian Louis Vuitton, the shoe one, and then she was like kissing him, so I'm assuming either he bought her something or she wants him to buy something. So I just thought I would just say how relatable that is. So yeah, we both look the same thing, so maybe also what's going on. Also, update, we had one water bottle, and I'm like, Mum, can I just have the water? And we're, just mind you, we're in the rich part of the shopping centre. So then Mum gets the bottle out, and I'm like, excuse me, I need to drink that. But she's like, no.
It's like cold water.
And it's like a cold spring water. It's all crumbled up, it looks old anyway. But you know, anyway. So yeah, that's really annoying. Mum drinks my water, and then I can't drink it anymore. Sports girl. Okay, bye. We have to go shop again. But look at Victoria's Secret.
Too expensive.
Fantasy bra. They should have put a fantasy bra on display. Like, they don't do anything with the fantasy bra. They just leave it behind. And like, they could have made money if they sold that, but they don't. So, considering they're in trouble now, they should sell their bra to get their money back. Anyway, bye. My shoes are so pretty. the Gucci stuff. Follow me if you're gonna here. That's really ugly.
Which one's Australian?
It's on the tag. It's a cute.
I don't even know if I can fit into these.
I like this skirt. Mom's probably gonna be like, doesn't even fit you, hey? Oh, Mum's in here now. Is she? Yeah. We have so much stuff.
24.
Hi guys, back at the apartment and it's now like 4, what's the time? 6 something, not 3, 4, 6:40. What time do we leave? Like 12 or something? Anyway, traffic took a long time. But we're back now and the next video, I'm going to show you what we got.
A hole, she means.
A haul, yeah. Bye.
Yeah, bye.